Welcome back to Kenny's tool review. Today we're going to be going over this Lisle tool, the Master Relay Fuse Circuit Test. As you can see, it's quite fairly used. I am missing one of the pieces here. I believe, what did I do? I made one. I was missing one, so I took one of the 5-pinners and I broke it and made it a 4-pinner. Mostly because I never need the 5 pins, but I did lose one. It's somewhere in someone's engine bay. It plinkoed all the way down to the bottom and never came out, and I couldn't find it. So it comes with a lot of goodies. It doesn't come with this fuse. I don't know why that's in there. It comes with these pliers for relays. Be careful with these. You can damage relays pretty easily with these, but if you use them right and either grab them at the top where they actually have the indent for these, or grab them near the bottom and wiggle them out, pretty good. The only thing that sucks about this portion of the tool, which, you know, why are we complaining, a tool that came free with it, is these rubber handles come off really easy. So when you're squeezing it and you're pulling up and wiggling, they have a tendency to slide off. The only downside of that tool. It also comes with a fuse jumper with banana jacks on each side. It comes with all these leads. These I keep over here because they use them a lot. These are regular fuse leads. I got some maxi fuse leads here. Some other stuff, some more banana jack. This is banana jack to something, I don't know. Smaller pin, like the little tiny OBD ones. It's also got just straight up wires, banana jack to wire, so you can do whatever you want with all those. I'm not really sure what the wires are for. These things are great for testing. Just, you know, majority of the time it sucks to get down in there and try and get onto the pins if you're just like sticking in halfway and test with a test light. This raises up nice out of the way. You get access to all the pins. On these ones it kind of stinks because you have to kind of pay attention to how you put it in, or otherwise these labels will be wrong. 85 and 86 the control side, and then you got 30, 87, 87A, which is all fine and dandy, but you know, with these 4-pinners you can easily have it in the wrong way, and then, you know, then these will be backwards. 85 will be 86, and same thing over here. 87 will actually be 30, yada yada yada. These ones, obviously, they only go in one way, so whatever it says, it is, which is good. This one I don't think I've ever used, but you can't put that one backwards either. Same thing with some of these. It's just this one, and this one you can put in backwards, which are the GM ones. That only matters if you're trying to really trace the wiring, but if when you're doing your diag, as far as relays go, you should know which one's which by what's power and what's ground anyways. More so if you're trying to actually put a relay in the spot and then, you know, command the ground to cause it to click, but if it doesn't work and then you try the other side and it clicks, then you know you got it in reverse. So there's really no issues there. There is another kind of kit, a lesser kit that has less stuff in it. I mean, both of them are going to be good if you only just want these, and that's the kit to get. But all these other goodies come in handy all the time. I actually have some that are missing out of here, that are up here. Like it comes with that guy, banana jack male by banana jack female extension. They all work real good. I've used them many times. I can't say that it's not worth it. It's definitely worth it. It's helped me out a lot. So if you like the video, put a like down below, comment, subscribe, tell me anything else you want to see, anything that you saw on my box or in any of my videos that I haven't posted about yet. I will be doing an update on the Hercules stuff. You can see one's missing now. The 1/2-inch gun. The bottom actually broke completely. And I was kind of done with repairing it. It still worked. It still, hit the trigger. It would work. It would still take off wheels with the bottom dangling off where the battery hooks up, but I threw it away because I didn't want any thermal runaway. I couldn't remember if I had a warranty on it, and I didn't feel like trying to go through that, even though, I just got to give them my phone number, but I probably didn't get the warranty because I usually don't get warranties on stuff. I know I got the warranty on this one. This one's I've had for 8 years, maybe more, not sure. And that one I've had for quite a while. They all work really good. I'll have an update on that coming up soon, and then 100 subs will be a giveaway. I'll be giving away one of these lights and the base, a boroscope I had in a past video, and the Vim low profile stubby bit set. So have a great day.